What's up guys, what's going on? Dracker Plays here, and today we're going to talk about the GeForce RTX 2060 from NVIDIA. Now, this RTX 2060 from NVIDIA might be more expensive than the graphics card it's currently replacing right now, but it's worth mentioning also that this graphics card is more powerful too. This mid-range GPU will make your PC dreams come true and get you into the door with the ray tracing maxed out at 1080p. Now, this GPU is ready for 4K at 30 FPS gaming, silky ray traced at 1080p gaming, and runs much more cooler than the previous generations. Now, it's definitely a step up to your old GPU. And what's more, this one, you can also buy the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 at Amazon for roughly about $359. So it's a great deal. Also, the sponsor came in to me and told me that if I get this video up to at least 200,000 views, they'll be sponsoring me the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060. So please do like, share the video to help me get the GPU, guys. Alright, thank you much for helping. This has been your boy Dracker Plays. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and deuces. Bye guys.